elevators at the Jefferson Medical Arts Building in Jefferson Hospital in Jefferson Hills, Pennsylvania. These are mid-90s Otis hydraulic elevators. Right one's coming down left, one goes left. Here it is. The trim is very blaringly loud. This one's darker than the other one. On the ground, here we down. So there's the other one. Ground. That's two. Here we go. Apparently there's a 338 here. I do not know where that one is. These are from 1996, I believe. That one's from 2008. Here are two. This one's kind of like a drop down. This one's a higher shine. Number one. Certificate, like I said, installed 1996. Right side magnet's hard and there's not even a phone in there anyhow. It's a basic Otis screen marble cab. We see this Otis cab a lot. Emergency light, which works. Because there's no emergency light there. Here, back up one. Because then that's going to be it.